Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to talk about the law of attraction, how I apply it, how to make it easier to apply. I am going to focus on this video more on the secret to relationships and the secret to health. So, how to apply the law of attraction in relationships and in health related matters. So, this video is about the secret. If you know the secret DVD, it's also called the law of attraction. So, I will start it with one um, quote. I don't know who has said it, but I consider this important to take into account about the law of attraction. So, whatever the mind can conceive, it can achieve. This means that if God has placed a desire in your heart, it means that it already exists in a parallel plane. So, everything you desire is also possible. If it was not possible, God wouldn't have placed that desire in your heart. So, how does the law of attraction apply in a relationship? How to apply it and to achieve results in relationships? First, act as if you are already receiving what you want. Believe that you will get what you want, no matter the source. For the law of attraction to work, better don't focus on one person, but um, try to achieve the thing through the path of least resistance. Believe in yourself that whatever happens, you will receive your desire. Maybe from that person, maybe not, but you are going to receive what you are desiring from the universe. Also, understand yourself first. This has to do also with the reciprocal rule. To receive what you want in a relationships or maybe a partner who has the qualities that you want, you need to be yourself the reciprocal of what you want, the reciprocal of those qualities, and to have the same vibration. For example, if you want a healed, emotionally healed man, you need to be emotionally healed yourself. So you need to be the reciprocal of what you want to attract it in a relationship. That's why I say understand yourself first. Understand if you are the reciprocal of what you are wanting, and if not, try to become the reciprocal of what you are wanting. Also, treat yourself the way you want others to treat you. And I emphasize this. I'm not saying treat others the way you want others to treat you. I'm saying treat yourself the way you want others to treat you. Because when you value yourself and you treat yourself the way you want, other people will do the same. They love you when they see that you love yourself. So that's the best way to go about relationships and the law of attraction. You love yourself first. Give yourself what you want to receive from other people. If, For example, you want them to respect your boundaries. Respect your boundaries yourself first. You can also do, for example, dates with yourself. Just go somewhere nice by yourself. So treat yourself the way you want others to treat you. What you need from him, give it to yourself. And also, another tip for the law of attraction in relationships is to write all the things that you already appreciate about your partner. Of course, this is the basic of the law of attraction, because when you feel gratitude, God will give you more of what you want. And also not only God, but also him. If he feels valued, he will try more to make you happy, because he knows that it works, and it's not that whatever he does, he will never make you happy and nothing will work. So write all the things about him that already make you happy and you really appreciate, and show appreciation for them to receive more of the same. So this was the first part of this video. I decided to include in this video also the topic of health. So how to apply the law of attraction in health-related matter. First, I want to mention the placebo effect. Maybe you know what is the placebo effect. It is, for example, when patients are given a certain pill that, in fact, it is not curative. Maybe it's just something placebo, but they believe that that is the cure, that is the medicine that will make them, will heal them. And whatever patients that didn't receive a real medicine, but just one placebo one, already felt better. So just believing that something will heal you will really start that healing process in your brain. The placebo effect is a perfect example of the law of attraction in action. So when a patient truly believes the tablet is a cure, he receives what he believes, and so he is cured. Also, it's important to focus on the perfect health. This is something that we all can do, no matter of our circumstances. Something we can do within ourselves. You can maybe do also some healing meditations. These usually include getting into a meditative state and visualizing yourself cured, and what you would do if you were in perfect health. You can do the same, do a meditation, and so visualize someone healed if you are doing this for someone else, to just help them heal. So despite what may be happening in the outside, we all can focus on good health. Laughter is also a cure and just makes us feel better. Laughter attracts joy, releases negativity, and it leads sometimes to miraculous cures. So just being in a positive mood can help. Disease is held in the body by thought. So by giving attention to it, by observing it, it's helped in the body. Remove the attention, focus on something else. Maybe if you can't focus on good health, just remove the attention and focus on something completely different. If you are feeling a little unwell one day, don't talk about it, unless it is with a doctor, of course, or unless you want more of it. But if you don't want more of it and if you want to heal, don't talk about it, don't complain about it. Because illness remains in our body, the more we observe it and the more we focus our attention on it. Also, if you listen to other people talk about illness, you will add energy to their illness. Instead, change the conversation to good things and give powerful thoughts to seeing those people in good health. Beliefs about aging are all in our minds. This is another topic that has to do with health and aging. If we believe that at a certain age we will look a certain way, we will really look that way. They are just in our minds. Negative messages about aging do not serve you, so don't focus on them. Release those thoughts from your consciousness. Focus on health and eternal youth instead. Don't listen to society's messages about diseases and aging. They don't serve you. So, these were just my tips about these two topics on how to apply the law of attraction and the secret to relationships and to health. I will do in the future other videos on how to apply the law of attraction. I will do one about money, so how to apply the law of attraction to money. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.